If you use voice AI agents inside of HighLevel, today I'm going to show you exposed prompting. This is one of the most important parts about prompting your voice AI agents in HighLevel and allows you to create way better agents that have more context and can handle conversations better on the phone. Now we're talking about exposed system prompts, and we can see these from AI agents, voice AI, and then navigating to our agents under agent list. Here we have a test agent, and then under agent goals, we can see in advanced mode, as long as we click switched, at the bottom, we have this prompting system for us to use. We have one initial prompt section, which allows us to include the most important parts about how this agent's actually going to handle calls. And then we have right here, view system prompts. By clicking this drop down, we can see all of these system prompts at the bottom of our agent. And these are default prompts given to us by HighLevel, which handle these 4 different parts of our voice AI conversations. So if we click into any of these, like personality, for an example, we'll see a completely custom prompt for that part of the agent. So for the personality, we can then see under date and time awareness, we again have a date, time, contextual awareness section just for date and time awareness. And these prompts are much larger and much more refined than what we have inside of our regular prompting section. Our regular prompt section includes what the actual agent does and what its purpose is, like a dedicated customer support agent. But these prompts down here, these system prompts, allow it to handle those nuances of date and times and personality and number and symbols and speech rules, then also email confirmations. So for an example, under number and speech rules, this has all the different ways that the AI can pronounce numbers. For an example, as we can see here, it says numbers in identification, like house numbers, flat numbers, zip codes, phone numbers. All of these are to be read out individually. So like a phone number like 123 can be read as 123 and not 123. As you can imagine, AI can't sense a lot of that nuance for things like phone numbers or date and time awareness or their personality or email confirmations. So that's why we have these different system prompts to handle these different parts of the agent. We have the same thing for our personality, date and time awareness, and email confirmations. For personality, this goes over how it has conversations with people. So things like using human confirmations like got it, makes sense, sure thing, things like that. Natural timing, short pauses, no long delays, all of these different little phrases, which you can see in here, like cool, so Thursday at 2, right? Or that's Amanda with 2 A's. Things like that are why HighLevel voice AI agents are so dang good, because we have this built-in system prompting from the HighLevel team, which make it way easier for us to have really high-performing agents. Now, you can edit these system prompts by clicking the edit icon on the right and then change different parts of this. Now, it does recommend that you are careful with any edits that you make, as they will require ongoing maintenance from our end. But if you ever end up creating some prompts that you aren't quite happy with, you can always just click apply recommended, and this will restore the system prompts to the latest maintained version from HighLevel. By doing that, we can click apply. So then re-update all of the system prompts to make sure that your agents are sounding great. Now, if you have some really unique use case scenarios where, let's say for an example with number and symbol and speech rules, you want to edit these to speak a very specific way when pronouncing things like addresses or different types of numbers, then this can be really useful for you to edit for a specific agent. Same thing with email confirmations, depending on your exact use case. So just keep in mind that these are down here. You can always just click view or hide system prompts in order to utilize these. And if you ever want to start completely from scratch, you can just click clear all. This will remove all of the system prompts. And when doing this, now you won't have any system prompts set up for the agent. And you'll actually see another one being appointment booking, which you can also set up for how it handles appointments whenever it has a conversation with a customer. In theory, you could go through each one of these and write your own custom system prompts for personality, appointment booking, date and time awareness, numbers, and email confirmations. Will they be as good as HighLevel's? Probably not, but you can definitely test them out with your own specific use case scenarios. But these are super helpful for fine-tuning your AI agents inside of HighLevel, or if you're just getting started, you can just utilize those basic system prompts that are already set up for you, so you're good to go to use your voice AI agent. If you have any questions about this, feel free to refer to the help doc or drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.